Hi Siri. Hi Siri.
Go ahead.
We would like to introduce a technology called speech recognition. Can you do us a favor by doing a voiceover with your voice? Sure, you.
Sure thing, Shuhan, Wensi, Yakshwan, Tiantin. Thanks, Siri. So what is speech recognition? Speech recognition is the interdisciplinary subfield of computational linguistics that incorporates knowledge and research in the linguistics, computer science, and electrical engineering fields. Looking back on the development of speech recognition technology is like watching a child grow up, progressing from the baby talk level of recognizing single syllables, to building a vocabulary of thousands of words, to answering questions with quick, witty replies, as Apple's super smart virtual assistant Siri does. Here's a look at the developments in past decades. The first speech recognition systems could understand only digits. Bell Laboratories designed in 1952 the Audrey system, which recognized digits spoken by a single voice. Speech recognition technology made major strides in the 1970s when Carnegie Mellon's Harpy speech understanding system arrived. In 1980s, speech recognition vocabulary jumped from about a few hundred words to several thousand words, and had the potential to recognize an unlimited number of words. In 1990, Dragon launched much improved consumer speech recognition product, Dragon Naturally Speaking. The advent of the first voice portal, VAL from Bell South, was in 1996. Speech recognition technology development began to edge back into the forefront with one major event, the arrival of the Google Voice Search app for the iPhone. In 2010, Google added personalized recognition to voice search on Android phones. And now along comes Siri. Like Google's voice search, Siri relies on cloud-based processing. It draws what it knows about you to generate a contextual reply, and it responds to your voice input with personality. The explosion of voice recognition apps indicates that speech recognition's time has come, and that you can expect plenty more apps in the future. Okay, I will hand over to Tianjin.
Thank you, Crystal. Speech structure. Speech is a continuous audio stream in which relatively stable states mix with dynamically changing ones. One can define more or less similar classes of sounds, or phones. Corticulation makes phones sound very different from their canonical representation. Recognition process. Firstly, it's a matter of features. Numbers are usually calculated from speech by dividing speech into frames. Then, for each frame we extract 39 numbers that represent the speech within it. Secondly, it is matter of the model. The audio model of a Senon is a Gaussian mixture of its three states. To put it simply, it is the most probable feature vector. Thirdly comes the matter of the matching process itself. The search is optimized in various ways. Speech structure models. There are three models Zanrise uses for matching in speech recognition. Firstly, an acoustic model contains acoustic properties for each phoneme. Secondly, a phonetic dictionary maps words to phones. Thirdly, a language model is used to restrict word search. Impact of speech recognition on people's life. Towards the end of the 20th century, speech recognition systems had found a broad range of use in computerized games and toys, control of different instruments, data collection, and dictation. The following illustrates some of the impacts of speech recognition in the society. Used in evolving search engines. Impact in the healthcare industry. Use in service delivery. Automated identification. Communication in service providers. Now Ceci will present to you.
Thanks Shayanshan for the introduction, the history of speech recognition. My name is Sissy. This part I will talk about different applications of speech recognition. Speech recognition is becoming more and more popular and it is widely used. From my research I have found that speech recognition is used in car system, healthcare, military, telephony and in our daily life. I will talk more details in the following slide of them all. Using speech recognition in the car is now a very common thing to do. I think the build-up of speech recognition in car is for our safety and convenience. You can choose to plug your phone or you can just simply set up your phone to connect with the car Bluetooth. Once your phone is connected to your car, the speech recognition app is also available to use on your car. Another new speech recognition app is Nuance. It is a part of its drag and drive platform. Unlike other speech recognition app, Nuance can pick up conversational lines. The every common use of speech recognition app is in our daily life and also in telephony. Siri is widely used in all Apple's products. If you need to do something on your phone, with the product around and internet connection, Siri can help you do many things. Google Home and Amazon Echo Home using speaker that really bring technology and convenience into your life. In the healthcare sector, speech recognition can be implemented in front end or back end of the medical documentation process. Speech recognition is also a great technology to help with military. It has been used in high-performance fighter aircraft, helicopters and training air traffic controllers. Now I will hand to Shuhan.
Thank you, Sissy. My name is Shuhan Yang, and I will talk about the projection of the future of speech recognition. As technology develops, the science fiction novels are turning real. Speech recognition is one of the breakthroughs in technology. We already have different applications such as Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, and Nuance. We still wonder what next to Alexa, Siri and OK Google. Professionals predict advanced voice technology will soon be everywhere, as natural and intelligent user interface technology integrates seamlessly into daily life. Now, let's talk about what are some near future projection. We all have different hopes and wishes for some new stuff technology can bring us. Some possible near the future development includes following. First, speech recognition will hopefully capture every word more accurately and more understanding. The algorithms will not only understand what is said but the way it is said, meaning the system will understand people's needs by the content of their previous conversation, be more open to urban language, and can determine the mood of the speaker, whether they are happy or distressed, how strong or weakly they may believe in the statement. Second, because each human has a unique voice print, machines will have the ability to identify virtually any human being worldwide by their spoken voice, and algorithms will soon be able to reproduce an individual's voice with near perfect accuracy. Finally, here are some projections in the distant future. Improvements in speech recognition technology may one day lead to a true universal translator, and the speech recognition may become speech understanding. The machine-driven speech-to-text will surpass human transcription in both accuracy and speed, and keyboards and similar control panels will slowly be phased out of all devices as they gain the ability to simply listen to our commands.
And here's our work citation. Thanks for watching the video. Hope now you know more about speech recognition.